Hi friends! Today we're going to guess farm animal sounds, wild animal sounds, and ocean animal sounds too. Let's go! Let's start with farm animals. Whose sound is this? Is it the chicken, the duck, or the rabbit? Listen carefully. Yes, it's the duck. So cute! Which animal makes this sound? Is it the cat, the dog, or the bird?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes.
Yes, it's the cat. She's so soft and cuddly. Listen carefully. Is it a goat, a sheep, or maybe a horse? Yes, it's the horse. He loves to run and play. Now let's guess the wild animal sounds. Whose roar is this? Is it the deer, the lion, or the panda? Think carefully. Yes, it's the lion. He's the king of the jungle. Guess this one. Is it a squirrel, a wolf, or a cheetah? Yes, it's the squirrel. So cute. What about this one? Is it a giraffe, a bear, or a monkey? It's the monkey. He loves to swing and be silly. Now it's time for the sea animals. Whose sound is this? Is it a fish, an octopus, or a dolphin? Yes, it's the dolphin. So much fun and smart. Listen carefully. Is it a sea turtle, a seal, or a crab? It's the seal. She loves to clap and splash in the water. Can you guess this one? Is it a whale, a starfish, or a seahorse? It's the whale, the biggest animal in the ocean. Great job, little geniuses. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye.